Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the Save to Gallery feature on Viber. This is really useful if you want to prevent your phone's gallery from getting cluttered with images and videos from your Viber chats. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several menu options there. Go ahead and tap on More, which should be located on the bottom right corner. This will take you to a menu with additional settings and options for your Viber account. Once you're in the More menu, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you can customize various aspects of how Viber works on your device, from privacy controls to notification preferences. Settings is essentially your control center for managing all of Viber's features. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Media option and tap on it. This section specifically controls how Viber handles photos, videos, and other media files that you send and receive through the app. It's an important area if you want to manage your storage and privacy effectively. Here in the media settings, you'll see an option labeled Save to Gallery. This feature automatically downloads and saves all media from your chats directly to your phone's gallery. While this can be convenient for some users, it can quickly fill up your storage and mix personal photos with random images from group chats. To disable this feature, simply tap on Save to Gallery. Once you tap it, you'll notice the check mark disappears, indicating that the feature is now turned off. From this point forward, Viber will no longer automatically save images and videos to your phone's gallery, giving you more control over what gets stored on your device. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Save to Gallery feature on Viber, which means your gallery will stay cleaner and you'll have better control over your device's storage. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.